She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sai here, and today I'm gonna take you to visit one of the most romantic hotel in Bangkok. Kinda hidden place. I found this hotel by one of the Thai people group. It's very hidden and very beautiful. This place is very good for go with your lover. So let's go. So you got the welcome drink. The design in here is like unbelievable. So romantic. Oh, look at the elevator. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. So beautiful. Look at the bath.ขอบคุณมากค่ะ Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. I have to keep my look. I have to keep my look. I was like being so like, oh okay, but inside I'm screaming. What is that? Oh, there's a boat. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. I'm so excited. And look at this. This look good, baby. This look good. Oh my god. Alright, before I'm ruining everything. Me, Sai in the city. I'm gonna. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is for the drink. Come on. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh wait. I cannot use. I can use it. Can I? What is this? Oh, I cannot open it. It glued together. Wow. Just quick take a look at this view for a minute. Oh. Whoa. Oh, I really like this. Oh my god, I'm dying. Who the? Alright, so when you're gonna poo, you got to close this spot. Before you do poo, you close this one. And then there's a bath. While you're taking a bath, you know what? I always thought this like a phone call or something. Look. It looked like a phone call. Okay, I'm gonna hang up. Ding ding. I didn't know there was a shower. Alright, I'm gonna do like smooth scene. I'm ordering room service. I'm not sure if they arrive here yet, but let's go see. Oh, they're here. They're here already. โทษที ค่ะ ค่ะ เอาวางไว้หน้าระเบียงได้เลยค่ะ Alright, I'm order the room service and this is what I got. I don't know what it called, but I don't want to eat like a food, so gonna try to eat healthy. I'm so hungry, haven't eaten anything all day. Oh my god. Oh my god. That food is so good. Garlic. How do you cook how did they make garlic that doesn't smell like garlic? Oh my god. Guys, I can eat like 10 of these. It's something about pesto, something like that. So good.
Till I go numb. Days until my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30.
Alright, so we are going down for dinner. I'm gonna have dinner in the hotel. The elevator was quite scary. Be in one of them. It would be so fun to have a like dinner on the boat. They have like, and I can see like they have like two type of like like the dinner. It's like the fancy one. It's just like a little like table, a little like 10-15 table for one boat, and then the other one is just full of people. I think that one is like buffet. So I want to try both. This is the damage that we been doing. Finish.ใช่ ไม่แต่บางคนอ่ะสมัยนี้มันสังคมก้มหน้า I'm wondering if anybody like stand here, they don't know like the elevator is coming down. Is the elevator gonna crash it or not? So I said like have the sign, but I said like these days people just look at their phone, they don't read the sign. The design is very like unique, very beautiful ไม่ทับเรียบร้อยเลยแหละ โอ้ อ้าว อ๋อโชคดี me okay so there's a sensor as soon as touch something it go up oh okay the safety I don't know why but I really like this it's like Barbie house very good service this is our room sweet room he gonna take a bath as girl and then enjoy the river view look at this amazing view oh my god the real life this background is dark completely dark it looks like 6 p.m. in Thailand now alright I can't wait to take my makeup off I've been shooting for the calendar I've been doing a lot of vlog today like 2 vlogs per day today and it's quite like confusing and if you guys want to buy my calendar there's available at the link down below if you're interesting alright guys I hope you guys like this type of video if you do don't forget to like subscribe and hit that bell button to get the notification for the next video that coming up see you guys next time bye bye